People, and welcome back again on my channel. If you're just seeing my face for the very first time, my name is Olubukola and welcome on my channel. I film about skincare and a bunch of every other stuff, and in today's video I want to show you guys products that I got for the month of January. I showed you the things I got in October. I don't know about November. I think I showed you guys December. And this is January, the beginning of the year, where so many people have skin goals. What are the products you're buying? Are you changing from your routine? Let me know in the comment section. I just got a few products, I think about 5 products or 6 that I want to show you guys just in case. In fact, some are just powders that I want to add to this soap. So the very first product I got is this Cottage Fresh soap. I told you guys that I'm used to Cottage Fresh soap, but the reason why I'm talking about it in this video is because this is the most confused soap in the market, or I don't even know how to put it. Like, this is the soap that will get you confused the most in the market. People talk about this soap so much that they have made so many dupes of it in the market, and I'm going to just show you guys the things to look up to if you want to buy Cottage Fresh. So basically, if you don't see these things that I want to talk about in this video with the soap, if you don't see it in the soap you're about to buy anywhere, any shop, any pharmacy, any supermarket, don't buy it. If you want to buy the original Cottage Fresh soap, these are the things that you should just look out for. If you don't see any of these things, move to another option. Don't be a god to a product. Always find an option for yourself even before you are in dire need of getting an option, if that makes sense. So if you want to get Cottage Fresh soap, first look at the container of the soap, the cover of the soap. They have a printed name. It's more like a printed container. If you're buying Cottage Fresh soap and you're not seeing a printed name on the top, on the cover like this, you're with the fake one. Yes, so you need to see this particular print on your Cottage Fresh soap. Another thing is, at the bottom of the soap, you should see their number and their name as well. Everything is there. Is there. The ones you're probably going to see, the cover on it, this cover right here, is going to be plain. Another thing is the face here on this soap should be like this. It should be this lady on a weave, a coily weave, not another person on a straight weave. Okay, there are so many. Even aside from the one with a straight weave, there's one like this as well that is as well very fake. If you check the container very well, I still have other things for you to actually know the original from the fake as well. Let's talk about the paper that was wrapped. You guys can see the background of the paper before they actually wrote the Cottage Fresh on it. There is a star that states made in Ghana. That star you're seeing as a printed name on that paper before they start printing the image, the Cottage Fresh name, the Ghana Alata Samina, before they start writing it on that paper. That logo you see on that paper is another thing you should look out for when you want to buy the Alata soap, the original one. Make sure you look out for that star. Doing the dupes don't add that to their own. It's just a plain paper, and then they start writing all their ingredients, their Lata Samina and everything on it as well. And then again, make sure that where the name is written, there is Ghana that you guys can see. Cottage Fresh Ghana Alata Samina Pure Herbal Soap. Make sure that is what is written on it. Some of the fake Ghana is not written on it. Sometimes I don't even go by the original that is always written on original soaps, because I think people can easily put original on it. But another thing that I want you to look out for when you want to buy Cottage Fresh, for people who seriously want to use it, is look out for this Made in Ghana logo as well. This one. Make sure you're looking out for it. And you guys can see there's an expiry date, a batch number, and as well the production date on this soap. This is the original Alata soap. And if you guys see the other side, there is a barcode as well that you can scan. So this is a way for you to use the Cottage Fresh soap. I use it, and a lot of you guys have asked me several times which one is the original. There is so much of it in the market. Yes, these are the things I want you to look out for. If you can't get all of these things, please don't buy. Another thing again that I don't want to forget is, whenever you buy soaps like this, there's always a nylon covering the lid. Those green things you guys are seeing is a branded nylon of Cottage Fresh that they use to cover it. If the one you're buying has just a plain nylon, I want you to be very careful. There's a probability that it is the fake. This soap has so many fake in the market, so many fake. But once I see all of these things, my mind is at rest. Once I see a barcode, I see a logo. Once I see a printed name on the paper, I see their name on the cover of the container, I am at peace that I am buying the original. So these are the things I basically look out for whenever I want to buy this soap. just to be safe, just to be sure that I'm using the original one as well. So these are the things that I want you guys to look out for. Another thing that I got in the market is my toner. This is my toner, and this is Rapid Clear toner. I talk about it, I think October, where I told you guys that I was unable to get it at the store that I was buying it. And then again, everything I'm talking about in this video, I literally got them at a walk-in store. So I did not order anything online. For those of you who told me to tag the brand, so I just remember now. Guys, Rapid Clear toner is now 10k. The last two I bought, I literally bought it for 6,500 naira or 7,000 naira thereabout. And this one is now 10,000 naira. The reason why I actually bought this one is, aside from the fact that the price is not very expensive, even delivery is not expensive because of lack of foil. So definitely if I'm buying it for 10,000 naira, I still have to pay an extra 2,500 naira to 3k for them to deliver it to me. So I said, you know what, let me just close my eyes and buy this thing once and for all. I got this toner for 10,000 naira. Even though I don't need it right now, I just love to buy my favorite products and just keep them in the house, just so on days where they will come handy, I'll be able to just pick it up. And you never can tell. If you don't buy it now, maybe by next month it's probably going to be sold at 12,000 naira or even 13,000 naira. Product I bought, I just want to say I pick up this product just because of the things I saw written on it, and I was shocked at the price. So this is the Disa vitamin C face serum. You guys might have probably come across this particular vitamin C face serum. This is sold for 1,000 naira. I purposely did not remove the price tag on it because I want to show you guys so that you guys will believe me. This is 1,000 naira. But what caught my attention other than the price was that this particular one contains vitamin C, contains astaxanthin, contains hyaluronic acid, contains vitamin E, contains arbutin, contains green tea. And I'm like, this is just 1,000 naira. What is going on? Then again, I always try not to overlook products. It's better to try. At least 1,000 naira will not get me killed. So let me try it and see if it works. I don't know yet if it works, but this is just something that I got for the month. I'm definitely going to be trying this, and I will tell you guys what I feel about it. If it is worth the 1,000 naira, or if you should just pass it, you know, yeah, I will let you guys know by next month. Another thing I got are my powders that I always mix with my black soap. I'll talk about it severally on my videos. I always had powders to my black soap: turmeric, I had the rice powder, oat powder, and I always had one oil to it as well. So I got my two powders, which is the rice powder and my oat powder. So let me just show you guys that one as well. So this is rice powder and this is oat powder. This is two powders that I always had to my soap. I've talked about it severally. I literally got the oat powder more because I want to try mask so much this month / next month. I don't always use mask like that on my face. I've told you guys, I've said that severally. So because I said it so much last year, it was on my head that I really want to try and use mask, because mask is always good for people with oily skin. And if you're watching me right now, you can tell that, yeah, my face is oily, right? Yeah. So this is oat powder from Isa Organics. This is rice powder from the same Isa Organics. I actually bought it at their store. So this is the reason why I said I did not order anything online. But you can order online from them on their website as well. I have talked about their brand so much before. So yeah, I got these two powders. And these two powders, I always add them to my black soap. It's actually very, very great. Oat is great. Rice is great. Rice powder is great as well. So I always add them to my black soap. Not only this too, when I have this powder to my black soap, it gets a little hard. So I always add oils to it as well. I just want to show you guys the oils I've been adding lately. Just one oil that I've been adding lately, because I know you guys are going to ask me, by the way. So it is not new. I did not buy that one. I just want to show you guys. So this is the oil, the lemon oil that I always add to my black soap. Once I have those powders, like I said earlier, they get a bit thick. So I always add oils to it. It's almost finished, guys. This is 1 liter and it's almost finished, guys. I bought this since early last year, sir. I just always add small to my black soap. It is a soap. You don't need too much. So in case you want to add oil to it. So these are just the product that I got for the month of January. Like I said earlier, I do not currently need the Rapid Clear toner, but because it's something I've been using for years and my skin loves it, I decided to buy it. And the fact that I've been looking for it for quite a while, that's why I decided to buy it and just keep it in my corner. So let me know which products you're using for the month of January, or which products are you eyeing, like you think you want to get or you think you would love to get it. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you all so much for joining. If you have not subscribed, please do me a favor and smash the subscribe button and turn your bell notification on as well. And I'm definitely going to see you guys in my next one. Bye.